Hi, this is Total Parts Pro. Today the 2020 Hyundai Kona, stock number 7333. Transfer 9 2017 to the 10th 2020. There's a G4NH 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NH 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight and daytime running light. Left front guard. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory American tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.